Hi, thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to be discussing Anahatasana, which is also known as puppy pose. This is a great variation of downward facing dog or also child's pose. It's kind of like the two married and created puppy pose. So if you're working on creating a downward facing dog, maybe you have issues with your head being so far below your heart, maybe you have stability issues in that pose, this one is going to be a really great option for you because you're going to keep your knees on the mat, and so it's going to help you get into your shoulders, get into your upper back like you would in a downward facing dog, with just a little bit more stability and while staying closer to the ground. Okay, so let's take a look at it. Let's come up onto our hands and knees. And we're going to start off quadruped here with the hands under the shoulders, the knees under the hips. And then I want you to go ahead and walk your hands forward and place them like you're going to get ready to curl your toes under and lift up to a downward facing dog. Now, instead of doing that, you're going to uncurl your toes, plant your hands, broaden the collarbones, kind of feel your arms rotate so that the eyes of your elbows start facing forward. And then you're going to sit back. Finally, let your head come on down. Now you may want to shift. I'm going to scoop my knees back some so that I can really press the floor away with my arms, but then let my upper back soften and let my heart sort of bow down to the mat. And go ahead and lift up. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, you can find me on Pinterest, Facebook, and at my website, www.custompilatesandyoga.com. Thank you.